Good morning. The time is 6:45 and I'm awake. Packed out the tent and ready to procedure with a new cut. Yesterday I managed to do like 13 slabs in the 11 hours and 11.5 hours that I was working. And I have a wish to finish this one and that one today before I head home. So better start early. Yep, I'll place you somewhere and you can just follow along. So the first slab is cut and I figured I do deserve myself some breakfast, and it's some, say, another can of goulash. So it's just about to be ready. I can't stop the feeling. Tailgate breakfast. chain didn't want to spin, and that has usually a few problems, and this is very hot. This was, you can see it, this was a brand new clutch, and you can see how it's been worn already. So, for being day 2 and getting those almost 12 hours yesterday, it actually feels good. The body is working. Don't feel the strain I usually do feel on the second day. Knees are good, back is good. A little bit sore in my hands, but nothing crazy. This is my oldest saw, and it's actually starting to annoy me. So I might need to fix the carb on this one. But here we go. So I just finished the second log we started at. It's done. Got some amazing slabs out of it. Just gotta lift this one up, but since they're quite high now, it does get quite heavy, so I'm just gonna sit back in the boat on that one for a while. While I sit in the boat and wait, I'm gonna start slabbing this guy up. It's the widest piece over here. So that will be interesting. So you can see here where the chain went in and it started to rise a bit, so now I have to be careful not derailing, so it's gonna climb up and make a really bad gash in the slab. So I want to go really slow and just leave it so it can go straight. Leave the chain do its work with less throttle than usual. Fuel. So what have happened? I don't really know. It might have been some kind of debris in the log, but the chain was really dull and looked like it hit some rock somewhere, but I'm pretty sure I brushed it off everywhere, but I don't really know. We have in the center we have a big I think it was a part where the tree grow into two branches, so it's like a crotch, but in the crotch it's full with soil and sand and even roots from stuff, so it's shorn, there's shit in there. But what I wanted to say was something that's really hard, when your mill lumber like this is once you made a cut and it starts derailing, it's super hard to get that cut to match the other in level. If you try to spin it around, it won't work. I tried that numerous times, and I even had my other chainsaw stuck in and trying to cut what's left so you can get the slab out at least. But this looks really promising. So what I'm doing here is I'm backing the saw like you doing a cut, like you back sawing with a traditional chainsaw, but the only thing here is that I'm doing it while milling, which is new to me. So the sides matched up perfectly, but it's still something inside here that makes me think that it's not completely through yet. And what that is, I don't really know. So I did find the problem. You can see here sticks and stones may break my bones, and in this case it's stones, pretty big ones. Let's see if I can get them out. Yep, there they are, and they just touch the chain. Might be something else somewhere close, but we'll see about that. Almost 1 o'clock, and I might need to call Manne and see where he is, if he can come and help me flip these. So last slab, and then it's packing up gear and I'm heading home. So let's do this. So the day went okay when you look back and think about it, but at the moment I'm pretty tired, so it will be nice to arrive home, which I do right now. So it's just house with the old panel. Needs some work. And the backyard and our barn. Car is switched off, and so is it with this video. So I'm gonna hit the shower. Haven't been able to take a shower in 2 days, so that's what I'm gonna do. Take care, guys.